All right, so this is my first time having a modified car, and I really wanted to make it pop and crackle. So I went online, I was reading a bunch of the forums, and I figured out a way I think I can make the tune so that it crackles on D-cell. And I have the POV, I'm bringing that along just to show you guys. As you can see here, I have the laptop and it's plugged in, running. So you can see we're up here. That's our fuel table up here. I'm pretty sure this is the ignition, engine ignition down there, which I think is what I have to alter so that I can get these pops and crackles on the D-cell. I want like really loud, really obnoxious. I just feel like this is the kind of car that, you know, like people will stare at and stuff, and I want them to look at it more. So, all right, so the first thing, most important to do, is gonna be changing these values down here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna alter them a little bit as we drive here, and just kind of see what we can pull off. Now, this is my first time doing this, so I really wanted you guys to come along for the experience so that maybe I could teach you something as well. So basically, according to the forums online, what I have to do is I have to zero out this ignition timing table, like bring all the values to zero. And that way that when I'm on the D-cell, the pistons will be compressed when the spark goes in, but the exhaust valves will still be open, and like that's where the crackle comes from. So I'm just gonna do that real quick, and then I'll show you guys. All right, so it took me a couple minutes to figure out how to zero out the whole table, but basically what I had to do was I had to press Control-A while in the table to select all the values, and then I just hit 0 and then enter to set all the values. So now I'm gonna test it out, guys. This is it. Hopefully we get some cool crackles, I guess. So I'm just gonna press enter.